How to open the testing mode in Samsung mobile phone? I don't know, maybe this trick will work in all the Android mobile phone, but in this time I'm using the Samsung, so that's why I'm telling you the Samsung. So for this one, just go to in the phone, then you have to use a secret code, that is asterisk hash 0 and again asterisk and hash. So now you can see here your testing mode has been enabled, and from here you can check whatever you want. For example, if you want to check your mobile the red color is working or not, then just tap in the red. So now you can see here your red color is working, right? Okay, so if you want to check the vibration, just click in the vibration. So vibration also working in this time. Okay, so and you can check the sensor, you can check the camera, touch, sub key. There are lots things available. Okay, so hoping that you get few ideas. So after checking, just you have to press in the back button, and now you can see it again you are in the dialer mode, right? That's it. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.